Okay, so as always, I did shower last night. Make sure that you're not gonna get your eyes wet, because you're not supposed to get the lashes wet within 24 hours. So make sure that if you needed to shower or it was like time to wash your hair, you just do that before. And if you're gonna go swimming or anything like that, also make sure that you do this 24 hours before. So I lost my good tweezer the last week, so I'm just gonna be using this tweezer. Oh wait, there we go. This is the right tweezer. This is my favorite tweezer to use, so this is the one I'm gonna use. I always use these lashes. These are by Fab Lashes. They're linked in my Amazon storefront, and yeah, these are the ones that get used and to be used all the time. So yeah, but I decided maybe since I've been wearing these for like 3 years now, it's time for like a different look, maybe a little bit of a change. So I did order different ones, and these are supposed to be more full. These are 40, I think, D. Yeah, these are 40D, which means they have 40 hairs in each cluster. This is 40 to 50, so it's supposed to have more. I wanted to go crazy, right, with the more wispy look, so I got these. And I'm kind of not sure if I even want to put these on. I was trying to get something more wispy, but these kind of really look, I don't know, like this is how they're supposed to look when they're on, right? But I'm kind of scared to try them. What do you guys think? Should I be brave? I think I'm gonna be brave. So these lashes, you can see here, they're in clusters of 2. You can just add them like that, but I don't recommend it because it like starts to gather your lashes, and then you'll start to see the split after like 1 or 2 days, and you don't want that. What I do is just grab my scissors and just where like each little section is, I'm just gonna go through and cut that into smaller pieces. You want the clusters to be small, that way there's more movement in your eye and it's not gonna pull or tug on any of your lashes. As always, this is the glue I use. It's by Ardell Lash Tight in black. Make sure you're getting the black one because the white one starts to get like crusty and it just looks like you didn't wash your face in the morning. So make sure you get the black one. The black one kind of just gives like a more bold look. So yeah. Oh, here it is. Lash curler. You don't need anything fancy. I probably got this from like a dollar store 20 years ago. So all you need to do is just curl the lashes. So all we're doing is just making sure that these lashes are nice and curled. That way the glue and the lashes stick and bond better. I've been doing my lashes every week for about, what year is it? For about 5-6 years now, and my lashes pretty much look the same. As long as you're gentle and you take care of your lashes, it's not gonna like pull or rip out any of your real lashes. So I'm just gonna be pouring a little drop of glue. So I'm just gonna start shortest to whatever that is. Glue. And you can also, it doesn't like stick right away, so if you need to like adjust it and like just take it off and try again, like that's fine. As I like these lashes because they're very like foolproof. Like if you don't like how it's looking, just take it off and try again. You just want to keep pushing it up. Once we finish, right? So grabbing the next cluster. And we lift. Make sure that you're not stacking them. They just you don't want them to be clustering together. You want your eyes to have movement because that's going to just make them more comfortable. And also see how I'm following the water line not the water line, the lash line. And I'm only putting them on the lashes, not on the water line or anywhere close. I only poured a tiny little drop of glue, so I'm gonna get a little bit more. So once again, don't stack them, just put them right next to each other and leave like a hairline piece separation. You want your eyes to have movement, that way they're more comfortable. Please, please. Put some glue. Got my eyelash going in, sorry. You get to see all my best features here. And this is not sponsored. No one sent these to me. I bought them. I saw them on Amazon and I just bought them. So someone told me I should email them and tell them to sponsor me. I've been buying all these lashes and getting them all these sales. They owe me. Okay, so going in again. Right next to the other one. Don't overlap them. You want them to be separated, but not too separated, and close, but not too close. You can see here our lashes. Not bad, I think. Pretty cool. Moving on. Almost done with my first eye. Very curious to see how this looks. Don't brush them yet. You want them to dry, so only brush them like after 5-10 minutes of doing them. Again, I'm just gonna take my glue. I dip it in and drag it up, and that way I get glued to like this part of the lash. And I put them under my lashes, so I only put glue on the top of it. That way it gets sandwiched in there. I've never tried doing the lashes on top of them, just because, I don't know. I don't really like how they look on top when, like, my sister does the strip lashes, so I don't think I would like these either. This one's twisting. You don't want that, so I think I'm going to go back and fix that right now. But that's what's good about them not drying right away, so you can just remove it. I like to wipe the glue and then just add more glue and try again. Very easy. Someone was telling me they tried the lashes with like this wand and it gets too sticky, and then there's like the bonder and all that other stuff. I don't know. That just seems so complicated. I only use this glue, and this glue dries in 5-10 minutes, and then your lashes are done. I feel like I underestimated these lashes. I was not expecting this. So I'm just gonna do the other eye and then call it a day. These lashes, my first time using them, but they are very, very comfortable. I don't feel them. I was a little bit nervous because like how they look so heavy, right? So I was a little nervous that they were gonna be like way too crazy, but I don't know, I kind of like them. I'm not sure. I think I probably will do them again like this. So I just finished doing my lashes. I was just waiting for the glue to dry a little bit so I can brush them. I'm trying to brush them very gently because you want to allow these to dry for at least 10-15 minutes before you brush them. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining us. These are the lashes of the week. Definitely super, super bold. Would you guys call them wispy? Yeah, I would call them wispy look. I'm going to add them to my Amazon storefront. So my Amazon storefront is linked in my link tree in my bio, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you follow, and then I don't know, I'll see you guys in my next live. So thank you.